You know, I have something I could sleep in. Like if I go on a long road trip, it's perfect. That's why I have it lifted for desert runs. It's kind of like a poor man's Sportsmobile van. There you go. See, here's my overlanding van with sick add-ons. Light bar, lights, lift kit, 285 tires, fender flares, awning, porch light, aftermarket exhaust, glowing ice skull, hitch step, hitch riser, high lift jack, backup camera, recovery boards, storage box. You gotta have a ladder. I spotted a Toyota 4Runner today with a cute little ladder. Cute little ladder. What sick add-ons are on your wish list? Van life. Nah, you gotta get a van. When you have a van, you could sleep for real. And it's just nice to be able to sleep on the road. Whenever you get tired, just sleep on the road. I went to the Chevron because they have a little Pizza Hut Express here. Interior sick add-on. Mackley food tray. So I just realized I've been uploading van content for more than 10 years now. And I hope my passion for vans stays strong for 10 more years and beyond. When I hit 20,000 subscribers, I will do a lifted minivan build to expand on my brand, expand on my fanaticism for the van hobby. When I see new faces in the comments, it really inspires me, especially when you guys tell me that you want to go overlanding, you want to go out on an adventure, and your adventure rig of choice is a lifted van. So I really enjoy seeing new faces in the comments. If you've never left me a comment before, leave me a comment. Let me know like you're excited about this hobby, because when I see that, it makes me want to do this for 10 more years, 20 more years even. We'll see. Maybe I should lay off the Pizza Hut so I could be around for 20, 30, 40 more years. And that's another thing I'm going to start doing. I'm going to start doing some gym vlogs, van life gym vlogs. I've been wanting to do it for a long time. And what I've noticed is a lot of people into the van hobby are into fitness as well. Because if you're going to go out on an adventure, you have to be fit, whether you're mountain biking or kayaking, hiking. So that's why the van hobby is great. It keeps you in shape. So I'm going to start doing gym vlogs. So I'm going to share some videos from 10 years ago. Man, I wish I could find all the cool walk-around van tours from 10 years ago. But these are the only two I could find. Maybe I'll find a few more when I edit this, but I'll share a couple. I miss the old days of van life videos, the old van content. People seem more into the hobby. The thing with sick add-ons is you need to work. It costs money. So I notice, like, when I'm trying to get into new van channels, everyone is asking for donations. Everyone has a Patreon. That's what I want. I want to lift one of these. So everyone has a Patreon. Everyone's asking for donations. So here's a question. What if every single van channel is asking for donations? Who gets the donation money if we're all asking for donations? What's that thing called? What's that thing called when no one works and everyone gets money? Yeah, I want one. See, you know you're a van fanatic when you're looking at this and saying, it's going to look good with the rooftop tent and a lift kit. So yeah, man, headed to work. That's one of the things that made me just dislike looking up the newer van content. Everyone wants a handout these days. And that's why I like my little circle of friends here on YouTube, the people I do van meets with. We're just all hardworking people, man, into the same hobby. We enjoy our van builds and we want to get out on an adventure. Good people in my group. All right, everyone. Yeah, I want one of those. See, I'm looking at a Dodge Caravan. I'm not filming a Ferrari. I want one of those. Sick add-ons. Yeah, method wheels. sick add-ons life. I'm at work supporting my lifestyle, no donations needed.
Hello, somebody wanted a video tour of my van, and so I think that's a good idea. So here's a tour of my van. I don't have a front seat. Now I really love my van because I have a table, dude. I don't understand why you would make a van without a table. You need a table if you have a van, because I get to hang out. It's like my own little living room. And when the table's not up, I've got this guy here, and this is where I store all my food. I've got eggs. I eat 4 raw eggs a morning because that's what the Gold's Gym dudes do. And I've got my... Just looks like a car, just somebody's car. It's just parked there, and it's a nice looking car. So I don't think people are like, oh no, it's a burglar's car. So yeah, it's cool, man, being in here at night because I can just hang out in my living room in here, you know.
What's up, guys? My name's Devin. This is my 1995 Chevy G10 half-ton. Originally stock, converted into a weekend camper van. So I threw this in here just to give me an idea of where I want everything to be and how things are going to function. So I'll kind of show you this right now. Basically, it's just stock storage underneath. Nothing too special. The countertop up here, which swivels out. We got a marine seat bracket, swivel bracket under there. So this kind of poses as a table and a cooking space, whatever you want to do, arts and crafts. Couch position right now. I've got a 3-inch high density foam mat on top, which is pretty comfortable. Yeah, let's see, we got storage underneath. Swivels up, you can see the raw wood here, and I stained all the wood black up top to kind of match everything else. Nice long piano hinges, really add more stability to the function. 3 relatively large storage bays, and hold quite a bit of gear. Now, to convert, it's quite simple. All you really do, get this out of the way, got 2 handholds here, slide that bay out, that guy, and that folds out. Back moves up into an upright position to give a few more inches, and it's about the size of a twin, I think. It's about 6 feet long, so I think a twin might be a little bit longer. But yeah, hope you enjoyed checking out the van. I hope it shows that doing a do-it-yourself camper van is possible and relatively easy. All these parts were either recycled or gotten very cheaply. I probably put maybe $1,000 into the interior, so it's doable. You just have to have the tools and the confidence, I guess. Anyways, thanks.